My video guide is about removing the new adware type application that is called BlissFresh. BlissFresh is a special adware from the AdLoad family. This adware specifically targets Mac computers, and it specifically affects Mac-related browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox, even though Safari is being the main target of this BlissFresh adware. The adware is from the adload family of malware infections. It is often spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases people just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Often this BlissFresh adware is also spread through misleading pop-ups mentioning that supposedly you need to install some software updates or browser updates, but these are fake update alerts and you should not trust them. If you install anything like that, there is a high risk of your computer being infected by this BlissFresh adware. Once installed, the adware starts displaying the great portion of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. BlissFresh adware also may periodically redirect you to many shady pages, and it may also collect some browsing related data. In other words, it also has got the elements of spyware. So we recommend you to remove it immediately. Access your Finder, check your applications. When you find this BlissFresh, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system. Click on Start Combo Scan button. So Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. You will then see the summary of the threats at the end of the scan. The program is initially in the trial mode. However, even the trial mode has got several free features such as disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance of your computer in general. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned, or of course it may also depend on how powerful your computer is. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner and upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your Mac clean and free of threats.